Hello guys, welcome to another interesting episode of The Fabulous Father. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to dismantle a baby bassinet. Probably you have, maybe your baby is a little bit older now, or you're no more rearing kids or babies, and you want to probably keep your bassinet safe. I'm going to be showing you how to dismantle the baby bassinet without destroying anything. It's going to be very simple. The only thing I'll be making use of is my screwdriver, and I'm not going to need it all through. It's just at one stage I'll need it, and of course I sweat a lot, so I'll need my towels to dab my face. So guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back right now. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is to unplug this. That is the charging cable. You want to unplug this, keep it safe. The second thing you do now, you remove the net. Yeah, you take off this net. There's this spot here for you to remove the net. Okay, you keep this safe. Now, the third thing you want to do now is to remove this baby bed and the basket. So, at the back, there's the hook at the back where you get to remove. Okay. So we are removing the hooks at the back. Let me turn it around for you so you see. There's a hook at the back that you have to remove. Alright? I told you I sweat a lot, it's not my fault. No amount of AC, I'll sweat. So you remove this hook at the back. Okay. So get this out. We get this out, fold neatly, keep. The next thing we want to do is to remove the basket from the frame. Now, how do we... Wait, let me hold this, okay? While building this up, we already hooked the arc. So we have to unhook. You press, there's a button here, you press down and pull out. Okay? Here, you press and pull out. Pull out. Now, at this point here, just the exact way we pressed here and pulled out, we'll press the same button here and pull out the frame. There's still a frame inside. Press and pull out. Then you bring out the frame structure, keep. Bring out the second frame structure, keep. And we have this. We have this, the main basket. So you fold gently, keep. And of course, the remote is here, so you keep it. Now, we are left with the main frame, that is the foundation frame. Alright, so from here, this is where I need my screwdriver, because what we are still pressing this. I hope you can see it very well. Yeah, that's what makes the joints to really stay together. So you press, pull out, then you press the one down, pull out. We have this. We have this out. Now we are left with the last frame. Don't forget, press again. This is it. Right? Press, pull out, pull out. Pull out. This is out. I'm so sorry, guys. Sweating is one of my hobbies. I sweat for a living. So this, we are left with this. Press, pull out. So we are done. All you need to do now is just to assemble them together and keep it in the box, and we are good to go. So guys, feel free, if you have this bassinet at home, this is Mastela 3-in-1 Deluxe Multifunctional Bassinet. If you have it at home, that's just the exact way to dismantle it without spoiling anything. Don't forget, you can subscribe to this video channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Father, the Fabulous Father. Please do that. Support us. Share the video with your friends. All right. Thank you.